Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2020 F-150 XLT in Magma with grey cloth interior, seating for 6, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. This has a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine. It's a 4x4, and it also has the FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates, a trailer tow package, which includes integrated trailer brake controller and pro trailer backup. As well, it has the XTR package, and that adds a little shine with chrome bumper, fenders, grille, as well as handles and running board. It's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. Your electronic parking brake is located here, power paddles, lighting controls. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope. With the aid of your running board and grab handle, it's easy to get in. On the face of the steering wheel is your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading, and there's also a menu that we can toggle through. So I'm just going to get in there for you. Display mode, trip fuel, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have sub-menus. Your automatic select shifter has drive mode, and when I press the end, you'll see it appear on the dash: normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and back around again. In the center, there's a little cubby up top to put items, hill descent, traction control, hazard lights, auto stop start for less idle time, and your display screen, you can touch on it, sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. Navigation, you're going to see your map appear. And when we put the vehicle in reverse, this is where we're going to see our backup camera view. There you go. And then we can go back, and I'm in park for safety. In our settings, we slide through automatic updates, Wi-Fi, Ford Pass Connect, and so forth. You have volume and tuner, and down below is your climate control, front and rear defrost, AC and max AC. There's your 4x4 with locking differential, pro trailer backup, and integrated trailer brake controller. A couple of USB outlets and 12 volt. There's a little bin to put items. In the center, there's a couple of cup holders. Your armrest opens up, more storage, and then flip it up for another seating position. You actually have a seat belt. Unclip it underneath, more storage down below. Off to the side, 12 volt and a 110 outlet. You also have a locking glove compartment. Up above, auto dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, sunglass holder, and in the body there's a grab handle, making it easier to get in. 20-inch wheels, mud flaps, chromomagnetic running board, front door handle, keyless entry keypad, driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler. The chrome handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. Your backup camera is just below that handle, and you have a 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And then when you want to open up that tailgate, simply put your hand in the latch. Got this nice line box with tie downs in all 4 corners, and you also have box link. And when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. You simply pull the tab at the base and then lift the seat right up. You've got more room on the floor. And then to bring it down, pull the tab again, and down it goes. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. And you have carpeted mats on the floor at the moment. You also get all-weather mats for easy cleanup. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat. In the center, you have a couple of cup holders, 12 volt, and there's USB outlets to the left. Grab handle in the body, hooks and lighting up above, and in the back, access to a big window with rear defrost. Bumper, mud flaps, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, heated and powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.